Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an absolute beast of a monitor that'll take your gaming experience to new heights, the Samsung 49-inch Odyssey G93 SC. This thing is a game changer, and I'm super excited to share with you all the reasons why. First off, let's talk about what sets this monitor apart from the rest. It's been handpicked by Amazon for its exceptional quality, which means you can trust that it's going to deliver the best performance. But what really gets me pumped is the QD-OLED technology that Samsung has brought to the table. This is where things get really interesting. So, what does QD-OLED do? Simply put, it delivers brighter screens with more vivid colors and deeper contrast. Imagine playing your favorite game or watching a movie on a screen that's truly bringing the visuals to life in new ways. That's what you're getting here. The result is an immersive experience that'll transport you into the world of gaming. Now, let's talk about the ultrawide display. This thing is like having two 24-inch monitors side by side on one screen. With its super wide aspect ratio of 32:9 and a curvature of 1800R, it wraps around your field of vision for unparalleled depth and engagement. It's like being right in the middle of the action. But what really gets me excited is the performance. The monitor boasts near-instant reaction time with just 0.03 milliseconds, greatest tearing delay, response time. That means buttery smooth gameplay, no lag or stuttering to speak of. And with its HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort connections, you're also future-proofed for any new tech advancements. And then there's the display quality itself. The monitor features Display HDR True Black 400, which delivers true blacks and rich dark tones without pixel light bleed. That means every detail is crystal clear, from the subtlest shadows to the brightest highlights. It's like looking at a work of art on your screen. But what about gaming? Well, this monitor has got you covered. With its AMD FreeSync Premium Pro tech, you'll get seamless, stutter-free gameplay that'll keep you hooked for hours on end. And with its 240Hz refresh rate, you're also getting lightning-fast action that'll make your heart skip a beat. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about connectivity, and let me tell you, this monitor has got options galore. You've got HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, and even a built-in USB hub to hook up all your favorite devices. It's like having a whole entertainment system in one sleek package. But it's not just about specs and features, it's also about design and build quality. This monitor has got an elevated design that'll elevate your gaming station to new heights. The premium, modern metal finish is both stylish and durable, with an ergonomic stand that lets you adjust the height to your liking. Last but certainly not least, there's the Instant Auto Connect feature, Auto Source Switch Plus. This thing is a total game changer. When you plug in a device, it instantly detects when it's turned on and switches to the new source signal. No more flipping through multiple inputs or waiting for your monitor to wake up. So what do we have here? We've got a monitor that checks all the right boxes: performance, display quality, design, and connectivity. If you're in the market for a top-notch gaming monitor that'll take your experience to the next level, look no further than the Samsung 49-inch Odyssey G93 SC. Ready to get your hands on this beast? Head down below to check out the link for the best price. Trust me, it's worth every penny.